Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 4 assessment homes. It is also called Riverwood Realty. Basically, this is the fourth chapter of Excel section, and this is the newly introduced course Excel 2022. So in this video, I will solve this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to hire for your courses or for this course including Excel assignments, Word assignments, or PowerPoint assignments or Access assignments, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp and email is also given in the description of this video. So please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and get your courses done, and I will produce A grade for you in your courses. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics as well. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step so that you can solve this assignment on your own. So we will move to the instruction file so that we can follow the instruction to do this assignment. So you can see that title of the assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Mid-Level 2 Riverwood Realty. At start of the instruction file, you can see this project description. I suggest you to go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Main part of the assignment is starting from the step 1. Total steps in this assignment are 13, and we are supposed to solve these steps to get this assignment done or to get this assignment ready for the submission. So let's move to step number 1 of this assignment. Title of the assignment is step number 1 of the assignment is Start Excel. Download and open the file named Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Assessment Homes. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So we are supposed to download the Excel workbook, and this is the Excel workbook that we are supposed to download. You can download this Excel workbook from your My IT Lab dashboard or Pearson dashboard, and we will solve each and everything required in the assignment in this Excel workbook. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook, and I have already shown you that. There is nothing else to do in this step. We will move to step number 2 of the assignment now. So step number 2 is freeze the pane so that the column labels do not scroll off screen. So these are the column labels mentioned in the row 1 of the data starting from A1 and ending at H1. We can freeze the pane. So we will simply click in cell B2. After clicking the cell B2, go to View tab and click on Freeze Pane. Why I clicked B2, you can click A2 as well or C2, because we are just making the row 1 static so that when we scroll down, you can see that row 1 or column labels are static and those are not moving along with the data. So we were supposed to make the column label static, and I have made the column label static by using the freeze pane tool. So that is all about step number 2 of this assignment. So let's move to step number 3. Step number 3 is convert the data to a table and name the table sales. So first we will convert the data that is given. So this is data, but this is not in the table form, and we are supposed to make this table in the data form. and then we will give the name to that table. So just click any cell in the Excel. So after clicking, just go to the insert and click table. So we have converted this data into a table. So now we are supposed to give the name to this table, and name should be sales. So simply go to the table design, and then in the properties you can see the table name, and we are supposed to give sales to this table. So I have changed the table name to the sales. So that is all required in step number 3 of this assignment. Let's move to next step, that is step number 4. So I am doing each and everything required in these steps, and also I am explaining for you so that you can learn Excel from these videos as well. So step number 4 is apply purple table style dark tan to the table. So now we are supposed to change the table style, and the table style we are supposed to use dark tan, purple table style dark tan. Click any cell, go to the table design, and now in the dark we are supposed to use aqua. This one is dark purple, orange, red, purple table style dark tan. This is the table style we are supposed to use. Just click this one, you can see the name here, purple table style dark tan, and we are supposed to apply this table style to this table. So that is all required in step number 4. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. So let's do step number 5 of this assignment now. So in step number 5, it is saying that remove duplicates record from the table. Excel should find and remove 8 duplicates record. So it is telling us that this table has 8 duplicates record, and we are supposed to remove those duplicates records so that this table should have only unique records. So to remove duplicates record, we will simply go to this data tab, and in the data tab you go to the data tools, and you can see this is showing for the duplicates record, remove duplicates record. Simply click on it and just click OK, and 8 duplicates value found and removed. Only 81 unique values remain. So it was mentioned that this table has 8 duplicates record, and we have removed those 8 duplicates record from this table. So this table has only unique values now because we have removed the duplicates record from this table now. So we have completed 5 steps so far. Now let's go to step number 6 now. So it is saying that add a new column in the column I, and the name of the column should be days on the market. Use unqualified structured references to calculate the days on the market. In column I, set the column I width to 14. So now we are supposed to add a new column I to the table, and the width of the column should be 14, and the name of new column should be days on the market. So simply go to the table, and we are supposed to add a new column I, and name we are supposed to write days on the market. So we will type days on market. This should be small, days on the market. So I have added a new column to the table, and days on the market. Now we are supposed to calculate the days on the market. So that is equal to sales date minus listing date. So we will put the formula now. Type an equal sign, sale date minus listing date, and we will get the days on the market for this table. So now we are supposed to change the width of the table. So simply right click on it and make it 14. So that is all about step number 6 of this assignment. So I have solved 6 steps so far. Total steps in this assignment are 13. Now let me do the next step, that is step number 7. Apply a total row to the sales table, set the selling price and days on the market totals to the average. Now we are supposed to add a new row, that is the total row, to the table, and then we are supposed to calculate the average of the selling price and the days on the market. So we can simply do this by going to the table design, and you can see table style options. Check this total row box. At the end you can see this total row. Now we are supposed to calculate the selling price average and days on market average. So selling price is this one, that is column F. So we will simply select average for this one. And we got the average for the selling price, and the days on the market should be also average. So make it average. So 72.18 is the average of the days on the market. And that is all required in step number 7. So let me do next step, that is step number 8. So step number 8 is apply the default top 10% conditional formatting to the column F. So we are supposed to apply a conditional formatting to this column F, that is the selling price column, and it should only highlight the top 10% of the selling prices. So for this we will simply select the range, that is F2 up to F82, because that is the range for column F. So select this range first, 82, starting from F2 ending at F80, and now we are supposed to apply the conditional formatting of top 10%. So let's move to the home tab and go to the style, and this is the conditional formatting, and we are supposed to top 10 atom and top 10%. So apply the default. So we are supposed to apply the default, so we will just click OK. So now you can see that it highlights the top 10%, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the top 10% of column F. So that is all required in step number 8 of this assignment. So I have solved 8 steps of this assignment, and only step number 9, 10, 11 and 12. 4 steps are left. I have solved 8 steps, that is almost 70% of this assignment. So now for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview, and I will show you the final version for this assignment, so that you can have an idea about the assignment, or you can solve this assignment on your own. But if you want to hire me for this assignment or for this complete course, including Excel assignments, or Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignment, that are the 4 sections of this course, you can hire me either through WhatsApp or email, that is showing at the bottom of the screen. Now let me show you the final version for this assignment now. So this will be the final version of this assignment. When you will apply the remaining steps, you will get a final version like this at the end. If your final version is matching to this one, then you are going to get 100 out of 100. So please have a look to this final version of this assignment, and if you can't do this assignment, you can hire me to do this assignment for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much again.